Alright, so magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Lamtang La Trinidad Benguet, no? Kakatapos lang ng ating forensic science specialization courses na training or schooling. So makakapanayan po natin ngayon ang ating director, no, ng Forensic Science Practitioners of the Philippines, si Sir Godison or Dr. Godison Dolfo. Okay, sir, meron tayong bago, no, updated, meron tayong advanced dactyloscopy training, no? Hindi ito ang nakasanayan nating dactyloscopy, yung traditional type. So sir, pwede bang mai-elaborate natin sa kanila, sir, kung anong i-expect nila, kasi tayo ay nag-a-adjust or nag-a-adapt na sa new generation, lalo na sa artificial intelligence. So pwede bang mai-introduce mo sa kanila, sir, kung ano ang meron sa advanced dactyloscopy?
Okay, good afternoon po sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pag-subscribe. Yung ating advanced forensic dactyloscopy training, no, featuring the introduction of the GMS digital fingerprint system. Ito po yung fingerprint system na kung saan i-introduce natin during the training, combination of fingerprint classification, fingerprint identification, and of course digitalization of the process. No, katay-up po natin dito ang Philippine Investigation and Forensic Science Academy, no, INFI from South Korea, and of course yung ating mga host o yung ating mga sponsors na Weissman Book Trading, Crime Coach Philippines, the Investigators Society of the Philippines, the MEGS Academics Publications, and of course this will be brought to you by the Forensic Science Practitioners of the Philippines.
Sir, may napili na tayong specific na location, sir, ng ating training and dates?
Yeah, the date of the training or of the symposia or the introduction of the digital fingerprint system natin will be on December 5, 6, 7 at Pearl of the Orient Tower that is located along the Rojas Boulevard in Pasay City.
Okay, so mga kaibigan, wala pa po tayong specific na price kung magkano, pero PM lang po sa page ko, Prof. Casey, kung meron kayong additional inquiries. Ako na po ang balang magko-communicate sa kanila, and open to all ba ito, sir?
Yeah, open to all students, practitioners, no, academe, at the same time those who are in the law enforcement agencies.
Okay, so maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, and hopefully iniimbitahan natin kayo na mag-join kasi talagang makabago na po, sir, ang ating mundo, ano.
By the way, the GMS fingerprint digital fingerprint system is embedded po dyan yung tinatawag natin na AI o artificial intelligence and deep knowledge. So yan po ang ginamit ng mga programmer natin from South Korea to produce that advanced technology.
Okay, so maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. By the way, this is your BISDAC Guro, Prof. Casey. Ang istoryang forensic mo, sagot ko. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.